Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm just going to get lathered up. I'm doing this second using Pro Raso. This is the second and last video of the Swordplay restoration. It turned out okay, as it happens. The blade's nice and sharp, so I'm going to be shave testing it in this video as well. It'll attach to one side. So just to recap, these are the scales that were snapped into and had to be replaced, and so these are the new scales. I put oversized pins and brought it to a point. So it's just easier at this end. You can strap it a lot easier without any bulky ends, and it's got a nice scallop shape, a bit of a heel here, and I don't know if you can see that there, a bit of a boat. Step out of the shot. Sort of a boat tail, if you like. A bit understated, and the bottom is quite flat, so it'll sit perfectly well, he says. It'll sit flat on his shave stand. So we go on to the shave test. The blades come up nice and bright, or should I say brighter. It's the blade's actually made from Sheffield steel, but it was actually ground in Germany. So it's a German blade, but made from Sheffield steel, and what they call the Hamburg Ring. A bit of light. I'm certainly taking the beard off. The beard feels quite tough at the moment for some reason. So overall, I'm getting the hang of this scales. They're probably a bit crude to compared to other guys who are more experienced. I've probably got better tools, well, undoubtedly got better tools than I have. But you've got to start somewhere. And it's quite a bit of a learning curve. Quite interesting actually. It seems to be slicing through this lot quite easily. Quite an attractive blade as well, with that Swordplay logo on it, you know. So anyway, end result is a razor that could have gone in the bin is now ready to start a new life. With its new handle. I'm restoring, I hate throwing razors away if I can avoid it, and the next razor I'm restoring is actually split. The blade is split right about here, so I'm going to grind it down. And hopefully put a barber's notch in it, make it look a little bit better. There we go. So that's that shave test over. And we've got a nice little razor to start its new life. There's no case with it, but I'll no doubt get better at making these scales, and I'll try using different material as well. Might have a go at using acrylics with liners and things. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you with this next restoration project. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now. Bye.